everyone, welcome back to my channel. By the title of this video, you guys would know that I got a new nail drill. I'm so excited to show you guys this very affordable electric drill from Amazon. It came of course with the nail drill, the on and off switch bar, with also adjustable speed, and of course the USB at the end, which you can use a portable charger or a wall charger. The box shows the drills in different colors, but when I purchased it on Amazon, there was no choice. I got the pink, which I'm not complaining honestly. One end is of course the tips to be inserted, and the other is for the electric cable. I got 5 carbide drill bits, 6 original drill bits, alongside with 6 sanding bands. I'll leave of course the link down below. I'm trying to show you all how amazing the speed of this drill is. Here are the instructions, and it also shows you what tip is used in the nail/cuticle area, which is amazing for beginners. Of course, it comes in different languages, which is always a plus. Enough, let's get right into this week's video. I got this Morovan UV gel from Amazon. I'll also leave the link down below. Got here a base coat, and I'm pretty sure this will be a top gel coat. We also received 20 nail forms, gels, which we have clear, white, and pink, and of course our gel brush number 4. For this video, I'm going to be using clear tips. Off camera, I applied, shaped, and filed. Now for the base coat. it's just me with bad luck or I'm not doing something correct, but the base coat when I cure for 120 seconds won't ever dry. I have to keep curing, which I'm not a huge fan of curing for a long time. Either way, I continued even though they weren't completely dry. I'm going to be using the pink gel for this video. Kinda wanted to see if it was true to color. Let's get started. I'm so excited to see how these nails turn out. This is just one layer, as you can see. I actually do 2 layers for each nail to build that arch. It was still pretty tacky, but then I continued on with my other fingers. called the UV Pink Gel. Honestly, it doesn't even look pink, it's more clear. What I did now is kind of clean up and take away the stickiness from my nails with this alcohol-based wipe. Mistake I did was start using the nail drill even though it was like 3% tacky. The thumb was like 1% tacky, but the rest were not really for sure. It sort of ruined the band. Oops. So since I didn't want to use more of the UV lamp, I just took some minutes to dry them, and now they should all be good to file down. I'm going to finally apply the top coat and call these nails complete. I was really bummed out that this UV gel was labeled pink, but it came out clear. Like, what? I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to like. See you on my next video. Bye.